Why do people commit crimes? Is it desperation, opportunity, or something hidden deep in the human mind? Welcome back to the Learning Studio. In today's psychology series, we're stepping into the world of forensic psychology, where psychology meets crime, law, and the mysterious workings of the criminal mind. What is forensic psychology? Forensic psychology is the application of psychology in the legal and criminal justice system. It's not just about profiling serial killers like in TV dramas, though that's part of the pop culture appeal. In reality, forensic psychologists do things like evaluate defendants' mental state, advise on jury selection, help rehabilitate offenders, and even work with law enforcement to understand criminal behavior. The criminal mind. Psychologists ask tough questions. Was this crime planned or impulsive? Did mental illness play a role? What social or environmental factors pushed someone toward crime? For example, research shows that childhood trauma, peer influence, and lack of support systems often contribute to criminal behavior. But it's rarely one single cause. It's usually a mix of biology, psychology, and environment. Case study vibe. Take the concept of insanity defense. Sometimes courts have to decide, was the person legally responsible for their actions, or were they unable to tell right from wrong because of a mental disorder? That's where forensic psychology steps in, balancing science with justice. Why it matters. Forensic psychology isn't just about catching criminals. It's about prevention, rehabilitation, and making the justice system more humane and effective. In short, it helps us understand crime not only as a legal issue, but as a human one. So here's the takeaway. Forensic psychology is the bridge between the mind and the law. It helps us understand not just what people did, but why they did it. And in our next episode, we'll explore a very different side of psychology, consumer and marketing psychology, how businesses influence your decisions, why ads work, and why you sometimes buy things you never planned to. Check the playlist link in the description, subscribe if you haven't, and remember, understanding the mind can unlock even the darkest mysteries.